For thousands of years, gold was law, solid, heavy, real. It was the measure of a man's worth, the might of an empire. But then an idea, more potent than any metal, began to take shape. An idea that would reshape civilization itself. Our story begins not with a warrior or a king, but with a piece of paper. In the sprawling empire of Kublai Khan, a new kind of alchemy was born. Here, under the soft glow of candlelight, craftsmen carved intricate seals into wood. They weren't making weapons or jewelry, they were forging a new reality. They were creating the world's first paper currency. Imagine the scene, the great Khan, seated before mountains of this new mulberry bark money, silk banners whispering tales of his vast dominion. This wasn't just paper, it was a promise, a decree. And with that, the very concept of value was forever changed. From the dusty trade routes of the East, where merchants exchanged these glowing notes under a canopy of stars, our story travels west. The idea, carried like a precious spice, finds fertile ground in Renaissance Italy. The world is bursting with new art, new science, and a new kind of power, credit. In the vibrant city of Florence, under the warm sun filtering through grand arches, we see the rise of the great banking families. Like the Medici, they aren't counting gold coins alone. In their candlelit chambers, we see them hunch over ledgers, their quills scratching furiously, transforming parchment notes into fleets of ships and magnificent cathedrals. Gold and teal dominate the scene as ships set sail, their crates stamped not with the mark of a king, but with the word credit. An empire of trust was being built, one piece of paper at a time. As centuries turn, the mood shifts. The soft light of the Renaissance gives way to the darker, industrial tones of the 18th century. We move to London, a city shrouded in fog and ambition. Here, the idea of paper money evolves once more. Engravers meticulously designed the first British pounds, their tools etching promises of national strength onto paper. The Bank of England emerges from the mist, its windows glowing like golden beacons in the steel-blue twilight. This is no longer just a merchant's note. It's the financial bedrock of an empire, but this newfound power is volatile. We glimpse the chaos of John Law's Paris, where euphoric crowds trade paper in a frenzy, a stark reminder of how quickly faith can turn to panic. The printing press becomes a new engine of history, spewing out glowing bills that spread across maps, funding wars and fueling colonial expansion. The quill has transformed into the machine, and money is now mass-produced. The rhythmic click of the printing press eventually fades, replaced by a new, more subtle sound. We arrive in the 20th century. The towering skylines of modern cities, built with steel and concrete, begin to shimmer and dissolve, pixelating into streams of digital code. The world of paper and ink is giving way to an invisible empire of ones and zeros. We see a hand tap a plastic card on a terminal, and for a fleeting moment, the card glows, turning back into the ancient, fragile parchment it once was. The form has changed, from clay tablet to gold coin, from parchment note to digital blip, but the essence remains the same. It is a shared story, a collective belief. And so, we are left here, in our modern world of muted grays and glowing white screens. The entire history of finance, from the abacus to the algorithm, has been a journey of abstraction. We have moved further and further away from the tangible thing, the lump of gold, the bushel of wheat, and placed our trust in a symbol. We have built a global economy on a foundation of pure faith. In the final, quiet moment, we watch as a single banknote, caught in a stream of sunlight, slowly turns to dust. It's a beautiful, fragile image. It reminds us that this powerful force that governs our lives, this thing we call money, is ultimately just an idea. A magnificent, world-changing, and incredibly delicate idea. Thank you so much for joining us on this journey through time. If you found this story as fascinating as we do, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more explorations into the ideas that have shaped our world. We'll see you next time.